How to transfer group members to another group in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about transferring group members to another group on WhatsApp. Follow the simple steps. First of all, you have to open your WhatsApp application and make sure that it's updated to the latest version, and also you're logged in with your specific account. Now, navigate to the group from which you want to add members. Tap on the group's profile name at the top of the screen. Scroll down until you see Invite to Group via Link option. Tap on it and then copy the group link. You can also send it directly through WhatsApp or through different social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, or even CapCut. And if you want to copy the link, tap on Copy Link, and you can see the indication that the link has been copied to my clipboard. And then send the link to the users through their personal chat, and when they open the link, they'll be automatically added to the group. This is the easiest way to transfer group members in WhatsApp. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.